Is staging your home for sale a waste of money? I'm Jess Dale, Head of Advice and Living at Domain. Think about when you're searching through property listings yourself. What are you most drawn to? Is it something that's tired, old and cluttered? Or is it something that's fresh, modern and clean? If you want potential buyers to feel like your home could be their home, you'll need to pare back your personal belongings and create a neutral backdrop to demonstrate the full potential of every room. Some real estate agencies will offer styling services or be able to recommend someone they work with regularly. Alternatively, you can hire a stylist yourself or hire new furniture and do the styling yourself if that's something you feel comfortable with. The cost of styling your home for sale will of course depend on the size of your property. Prices can start from $1,500 to $2,000 for a smaller home and up to $7,000 plus for a larger home. Many agents will say good styling is worth the spend and can increase the sale price of a property significantly. Of course, you can sell your property without it, but if you do decide to fork out the cash, it could mean more interested buyers and a higher price come sale time.